Introduction search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a big part in helping your real estate business shine online, especially if you're operating in a vibrant city like New York. The digital world is where most buyers start their real estate journey, making it crucial for your agency to be easy to find on search engines like Google. But visibility isn't just about being found, it's about showing up to potential clients when they're searching for what you offer. Bad SEO habits can keep your real estate business hidden. By learning about these errors and how to avoid them, you can set yourself up for greater online success. Avoiding common mistakes in SEO means more eyes on your website. It translates to more opportunities to turn those views into contacts and contacts into clients. By refining your SEO approach, you are not just increasing your online presence, you're setting your agency apart from the competition. Understanding SEO basics for real estate SEO can feel like a giant puzzle, but understanding its basics is a great first step. It revolves around improving your website so it ranks better in search engine results. For real estate professionals, this means ensuring your site connects with those looking for homes in your area. Here are some key components to grasp. Keywords. These are the phrases potential clients might use when searching for real estate services like buy homes in NYC or NYC real estate agents. By including these terms naturally throughout your website, you help search engines link your site to those searches. On-page SEO. This covers everything on your website that contributes to your ranking, such as readable URLs, optimized titles, and clear content layouts. Off-page SEO. This goes beyond your website, including elements like backlinks from other reputable sites that boost your credibility. Local SEO matters even more for agents in specific locations. It deals with optimizing your presence to connect with searchers in a particular area, like New York. Focusing on local SEO helps you stand out in local searches, making your agency a top choice for nearby clients ready to buy or sell. When potential buyers are looking for homes nearby, you want your agency to appear as the go-to place for all their real estate needs. Common SEO errors. Real estate agents should avoid. Many real estate agents make some typical SEO mistakes without even realizing it, which can negatively impact their visibility online. One major oversight always is ignoring mobile optimization. In a city like New York, potential buyers often browse properties on their phones while on the go. A mobile-friendly website ensures your site looks good and functions smoothly on smaller screens. To optimize for mobile, consider using a responsive design that adjusts automatically to different screen sizes and make sure your site's load time is fast. Simple navigation menus and touch-friendly elements will also enhance the mobile experience. Another frequent error is overlooking local keywords. Real estate is inherently local, so using broad terms isn't as effective. Instead, focus on keywords that reflect the neighborhoods you serve, such as apartments in Brooklyn or homes for sale in Queens. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner can help identify effective local phrases to attract the right visitors to your site. Agents also sometimes neglect meta tags and descriptions. These short pieces of text summarize your web pages for search engines and potential clients. Clear and concise meta tags and descriptions help improve click-through rates because they tell searchers what to expect on your page. Additionally, a poorly structured website can hinder your SEO efforts. A clean, intuitive layout ensures visitors find what they need quickly, helping to keep them engaged. Implementing a logical flow from page to page and optimizing internal links enhance both user experience and SEO. Lastly, failing to update content regularly is a missed opportunity to keep your site fresh and engaging. Consistently adding new blog posts, property listings, and neighborhood guides shows that your website is active and relevant. By keeping content current, you encourage users to return and explore further. Tips for effective real estate SEO. To boost your SEO strategy, think about leveraging social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are more than just social networks. They're tools to increase your online footprint. Sharing interesting content and listings there can drive traffic back to your site. Try posting virtual tours, market updates, or local events to engage your audience. Building quality backlinks is another important step. When reputable sites link to yours, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable. Consider reaching out to local businesses or submitting guest posts to real estate blogs to gain these links. Engaging with reviews and testimonials further strengthens your online presence. Encouraging satisfied clients to leave reviews provides social proof to potential customers. Actively respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you're committed to feedback and improvement. Enhancing your online visibility, avoiding common SEO pitfalls, and leveraging effective strategies can set you apart from the rest. By refining these aspects of your online presence, you create more opportunities for potential buyers and sellers to connect with you. Consistency in applying these techniques ensures your real estate business remains competitive and accessible. Understanding SEO can initially feel daunting, but with the right focus, it becomes a powerful tool for growth. As real estate continues to evolve, so should the strategies you employ. Learning from these insights will help you maintain an active, engaging online presence that attracts your target audience and keeps them coming back for more. To boost your success in reaching more clients and enhancing your online presence, consider integrating effective real estate SEO services into your strategy. Align your agency with Ask 8 to uncover the benefits of targeting local markets and standing out in New York's competitive landscape. For a deeper understanding of how you can improve your visibility and drive more traffic to your real estate listings, explore more today. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes. And now I'm here to help you win. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. All the best to your success.